Here's how to prepare an IDC 350 unit for recycling. First, remove all of the inlet condensate lines and replace the push-to-connect fittings with the red plugs removed during the installation. Second, seal the vent by taking the cap from the recycle kit and placing it over the vent. This will eliminate oil and water from escaping during shipping. Next, cut the 3/4 inch rubber hose about 5 inches from the outlet. Insert the plastic plug from the recycling kit into the hose and tap it in with a hammer to make sure it's secure. Now that your unit is sealed, you'll need to place it inside the large plastic sleeve that came from your recycling kit. This sleeve will help contain any discharge during shipping. If you have the box that your IDC 350 was shipped with, you can use that to return the unit for recycling. If you no longer have the recycle kit that was shipped with your IDC 350 unit, contact us at Clean Resources and we'll ship you a new one. Go to cleanresources.com and select Recycle from the menu at the top of the page to begin the RMA process. Follow the link in the description for further instructions. If you still have questions, please reach out to us at cleanresources.com or call us 800-566-0402.